हेलो एवरीवन। आज के चैनल में नया क्या है? करेक्ट। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न shapes. SHAPES. We will learn different kind of shapes in this video. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start our first shape. तो चलिए चलते हैं. ओके, ये है हमारी पहली शेप एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल circle. This shape is called as a circle because it is completely round. So what is the spelling of circle? CIRCLE. Circle. Do you want to see some example of circle? Okay, let's try. So one example of circle, it could be, let's say, donut. Yes, donut. Donut is round in shape. So, yeah, here it is. Okay, so let's see another example. As you can see on screen, this is a ring. Ring is also round in shape. So these are the circle. Now let's move on to next. This is called as a triangle. This is a triangle shape. How do we write it as a triangle? T-R-I angle, ANGLE, triangle. So we will learn spelling also side by side. TRIANGLE, triangle. Now let's see some example of triangle. Pizza. Everyone love pizza. सबको पसंद है. ओके, सो आप देख सकते हैं कि पिज़्ज़ा ट्रायंगल शेप में है. और कोई एग्जाम्पल? वाटरमेलन. ओ ही इज़ वॉकिंग. Oh, watermelon is also when we cut it triangle in shape. Okay, the next shape is square because all sides are equal. This shape is called as a square. SQUARE. Now let's see some example of the square, or we can see the shape also. Okay, so frame. Frame is square in shape. Yes, you can see all sides are equal. This is another representation of the square. Okay, chaliye next example. This example is called as this shape is called as a rhombus. Absolutely correct. It is a rhombus. Rhomb, RHOMBUS, rhombus. ओके, तो rhombus का कोई एग्जाम्पल होता है? यस, बिल्कुल होता है. चलिए देखते हैं. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ rhombus, kite. You can see kite. Okay, is it a rhombus? No, this is not a rhombus. That was an oval shape. It was a tricky question. Okay, so next shape. This is a cylindrical shape because it is in the shape of cylinder. Okay, CYLINDRICAL, cylindrical. चलिए देखते हैं कुछ एग्जाम्पल इसके. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज कैन. Can is cylinder in shape, you can see. And the another example, it could be glass. Yes, glass is cylinder in the shape. Okay, next shape is, oh, this is pretty easy and everyone knows this. ये हम daily रात को sky में देखते हैं. That is a star shape. STAR, star shape. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. The star shape, STAR. Okay, let's see the star shape, how the star looks like. Yeah, here you go. It's a twinkling star. Yes, we all. Okay. Yeah, this is also star. A twinkle, twinkle, little star. चलिए, next देखते हैं. This shape is called as a pentagon. 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 Okay, so let's move on to the our next shape, which is rectangle. Rectangle. Now can you see it is different from the square because its two sides are equal. Not all four sides are equal. Here is the difference between square and rectangle. Now what is the spelling? Rec, R-E-C, 10, T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. and down below, I think it's little not clear, I'm sorry, but that square shape which we have already seen, SQUARE, square. So the only difference between rectangle and square is square have all four sides equal. Let me try to zoom in so that you can see all shapes as equal as what we have learned till now. We have learned circle, triangle, square, rhombus, cylindrical, pentagon, star, rectangle, square. Okay, so we have learned all these shapes. Now let's see quickly what else we can cover up. We can do circle and the oval. So circle is complete round and oval is not complete round. Wow, it's not looking good. But oval is not complete round. I'll give you example, and I've already given one example earlier. Let's see, circle, CIRCLE. This is the difference between circle and the oval. OVAL, like eggs. Eggs are oval in shape. Eggs are not round in shape. Okay, so now let's see what else we have in the video. We can cover another shape that is called as a cone. It's not looking beautiful. Let me try another one. Okay, this is going perfect. Okay, so cone, CONE. This is great. Cone का example देखते हैं, as we have already seen on the streets always first time. Let me show the picture so you can recall कि क्या है cone. Okay, so this is the example of the cone. I'm sure आप सबने देखा होगा ये street के ऊपर it has been marked to for as a barricade. Okay, now we have covered almost many shapes. बहुत सारी shapes cover हो चुकी हैं. Circle, let's try to recall once again. Circle, हमने देखा इसके example. Triangle, pizza, yes. And then we have seen, okay, let's go little here. Let me try to draw it once again. Okay, circle, very good. And then triangle, just for your recap so that you can quickly remember it. Okay, square, square, it's there. Rhombus, rhombus means the shape kite. We have already seen. Okay, let me try this. Not so good. Let me try again. A little down. Okay, yes, the same. थोड़ा better लग रहा है. Okay, rhombus, cylindrical के अभी हमने देखे जैसे glass, star shape, rectangle and the square. Now let me ask you, what is the difference between rectangle and the square? Anyone remember? Because of its sides. Square has all sides equal, rectangle has two sides. Pentagon, we have learned pentagon. मैं सिर्फ उनको remind कर रही हूँ so that it is easy for you to learn. Circle, we have seen circle shape, oval shape. We have seen the difference between circle and the oval. Perfect. Oval like egg and circle which is completely round like ring. और हमने देखा last में cone. Cone का example भी हमने देखा. How exactly cone looks like. तो चलिए, आई थिंक वी हैव कवर्ड अप सो मैनी शेप्स. लेट मी जूम इट. ऑल द शेप्स जो भी हमने इस वीडियो में कवर अप की है, you can see on screen, and if you want to see the video, if you want to learn anything again, you can watch the video from the starting. It would be uploaded. Thank you so much. If you like